agile, circular, progressive, revolutionary. Integra Systems is part of a new breed of nimble Australian manufacturers, offering low-volume, high-variability excellence in sheet metal. Located in Melbourne's north, Broadmeadows, Integra combines breakthrough product design with world-class project management and advanced manufacturing. These three pillars of the company fully empower clients to make their vision real. Integra was established in 1991 by Paul Hughes, before he was joined by his father Russell, and then later by his wife Erica. Together, they sought out global progressiveness in manufacturing, which they then cleverly adapted to the Australian market. The company's innovation began with a world-first punch-it coil processing line, which became the foundation of Integra's manufacturing capability. Punch-it was so advanced, it attracted the attention of the University of Melbourne and became the basis of a paper presented by Professor Colin Bourville at the International Conference of Engineering Design. Industry has recognised Integra's achievements with a multitude of awards. This includes the prestigious Small Business of the Year Award at the 2013 Victorian Manufacturing Hall of Fame, as well as being finalist at the 2019 Hall of Fame in the Industry 4.0 category. Today, Integra remains ahead of the curve by adopting new technologies and thought leadership, often before others in Australia. That includes investing in the principles of a circular economy in manufacturing: reduce, reuse, recycle, and redeploy in a cradle-to-cradle approach. Product design and development underpins everything at Integra. Integra's design and development team transform concept ideas for products and components into fully resolved designs poised for manufacture. Similarly, existing products and components are redesigned for manufacturing efficiency or upgraded for a competitive marketplace.
Integra helped us bring new products to the market by being innovative with us, by setting up their tooling, their programs, so we could go to market. We kept our standard design, but we fitted into those designs the LED chips and boards.
Having had themselves a background in lighting, they understood what we required in our products. Through their methods of manufacturing, they don't have any difficulty in making changes. These days with the Integra flexible manufacturing systems, it just all happens.
Integra's advanced manufacturing facilities is where fully designed and specified products move into the manufacturing phase. The co-location of Integra's design and manufacturing is unique in the Australian manufacturing industry. Live prototyping, testing and refinement on site using Industry 4.0 practices ensures the smoothest, most cost-effective manufacturing techniques. Designed products are then deployed within the same facility.
With Integra having its own engineering team, it gave us a huge advantage in terms of lead time in developing new merchandising concepts. And one of those was in reducing the transportation costs by having disassembled merchandiser that we're able to ship at 75% less volume. So prototyping was a big part in the success of this, in that we were able to prototype, review, re-engineer and have a finished product very quickly.
One of the recent challenges was how we can best represent and merchandise this new Ryobi stick vac. It has to be merchandised within the traditional power tool bays and minimise the store impact. We developed in line with Integra in a relatively short space of time a great solution which addresses all of those challenges.
One thing that we'll challenge you with is our in-store experience did not match the ethos of the brand. We needed to come up with a new solution to suit that requirement, and that's where we reached out to Integra. There was a real close alignment between Integra and us as Milwaukee. Since we've kicked off the relationship, we've been on a real fantastic journey, and what we've executed is probably the pioneer or the what we consider in-store excellence.
It takes a lot of effort to get your process right, and working with like-minded people like Integra to achieve global supply chains to the primes, the big defence customers all over the world. You need to get it right, and you need to make sure that your suppliers and the people that you network with are doing exactly the same thing to do that product.
We really found that they were looking to innovate, look at different ways of manufacturing processes, different ways of value adding. We come up with some mutually beneficial opportunities around a product that we branded as Uniblanks, and then we looked to work with them to look how we could grow our sales and our footprint in that area.
The defence industry have a high reliance and expectation on quality, delivery on time, and of course pricing. Integra Systems have hit all three milestones for us.
Integra Systems has a proprietary product range under the division Integra Transform. Integra Transform began by creating workspace solutions for production environments, factories, workshops and offices. These robust products focus on integrating attractive form with high functionality. The Integra Transform collections now include the K 4.0 digital kiosk, created to facilitate other manufacturers in achieving digitisation and Industry 4.0 ambitions across their operations. This is Integra's flagship digital product, which is now part of a full suite of digital kiosk solutions to enhance business customer engagement outcomes. In 2020, the Integra Transform range was expanded by adding the Loon collection, consisting of sanitisation and recycle waste stations, manufactured in Australia by Integra through a digital licensing partnership with Dutch manufacturer BRINK Industrial. Integra has a work culture that encourages curious minds and a fully collaborative, non-exclusionary approach to innovation. Integra is the creative partner of choice for industries as diverse as IT and electronics infrastructure, renewable energy infrastructure and products, land and maritime defence programs, lighting and associated industries, information display systems, architecture and construction, transport and rail, retail experience displays, signage and civil infrastructure. When it comes to making your vision a reality, with Integra Systems, there is no limit.
Since 1991, Integra has seen many changes in the marketplace, both domestically and globally. We are very proud of our people and the culture we have created together at Integra, and we are very excited about the future of Australian manufacturing in a rapidly changing global economic landscape.